guys.
Welcome to
The Weekly Bros. So today we will be doing a challenge with our dogs.
That is right. So basically we will have 3 challenges and 3 rounds for each single one. We will be using cups, our hands, and we're going to play a game of hide and seek. And Nate will be on Bruce's team and I will be on Alfred's. So let's get right into it.
So guys, this is our setup. We have 3 separate cups with treat under one of them.
Yeah.
And on the, under the other 2 are nothing. The first person going is me, so Team Bruce. And then, yeah.
He'll be shuffling up the cups, so we'll show him where the treat is, we'll shuffle them up, and then see if he can guess correctly. And we'll do it 3 times with Bruce and Alfred. Alright guys, we got Bruce out. Nope, Bruce, leave it. You don't get those ones. Okay, show him the treat. Bruce, sit.
Bruce, sit.
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 Good, Bruce,
Okay,
show him the
Bruce.
treat.
Look, the one, hey, no.
Nope, don't eat it.
It's in the middle, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, which one?
Bruce, which one? Which one? Which cup?
Pick the cup.
Whichever
No.
one he points to first. Bruce,
Bruce,
pick the cup.
pick the cup.
That one, that one, that one. Oh.
Good try, buddy.
Good try.
There's-
There you
it's
go.
still
Good
in the
boy.
Good
Now it's my turn for Alfred. All right, guys. Next up is Alfred's turn. There's his treat under the cup. I'm gonna shuffle him up, and let's bring Alfred out. All right, so you got Alfred out now. Alfred, come here.
He's in the bottom of the
You see
frame.
the treat? You see the treat? You ready?
He's like,
Alfred.
no.
Hey, focus over here. What are you doing?
Alfred,
Come on.
come on.
You see the treat? You see it? You see it?
Sit.
Ready? We're gonna shuffle it around. Shuffle it around. Oh gosh! Okay, so it's under that one now. Okay, Alfred, pick the cup. Pick the cup. Alfred, which one? Which one? This one? Oh, it's not there. It's right here.
Oh,
Nice try.
good try.
All right, round 2.
So, we have
Good
the
boy,
cup
Bruce.
in the middle one. Let's see what Bruce will think. Bruce,
All right, Bruce.
okay, ready? No. Which one? Oh, wait. He picks this one.
Oh, good boy.
Good job!
There's 1 point for Nate and Bruce.
Yeah! Woo! We're in the lead.
Now on to Alfred. All right, guys, round 2 for Alfred. Alfred's sitting like a pretty boy this time. See, there's the treat. See? You see it? I'm going to shuffle it around, okay? And pick the cup. Pick the cup. Alfred, which one? Which one? You go for this one? Oh.
Nice try, buddy.
Oh, there wasn't that one.
Good boy.
Oh, I think I figured it out. I think they like the middle one since they see it there and it always confuses them. That's my guess.
Probably.
So how about we should agree that we can't pick the middle one.
Yes.
Is that good? All right, Alfred, no, leave those treats.
Alfred!
You don't get those.
Round 3. Team Bruce and Kate.
There you go.
There we go. Okay, Bruce.
Oh, good
the
boy.
treat is right here, okay? We're
Okay,
gonna
shuffle it.
mix it up. Okay, Bruce, which
All
one
right,
is
Bruce,
it under?
pick the cup.
Release.
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 Pick the cup.
What is it under?
Oh,
said
you
this
picked
one
the middle
first.
one? Oh, Bruce didn't get it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, poor Bruce.
So it's 1-0.
That's right, but we still got to do Alfred. It could be 1-1 for the first challenge. Let's get into it. All right, round 3 for Alfred. There he is, coming in. Alfred,
Coming in
the treat's right
hot.
here. The treat's right here. Alfred.
Alfred,
Gosh.
he'd
Why did
rather
I
be.
agree to be on his team? Alfred, come on. Come on. It's right here, okay? 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 Pick it. Pick the cup. Which one? Which one? No, not those cups. Which one? Which cup? Which cup do you pick? Come on. Pick a cup. Which one? Which one? Alfred. Oh my gosh. Alfred, pick a cup.
Which
a
one?
cup.
Which one? Use your little
Which one?
sniffer.
Which one?
Which one?
Pick one. Alfred. 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 Pick a treat. That one? Oh, you almost went to that one.
Okay, good boy.
Dude. All right.
Good
so
try.
That means Bruce won for challenge number 1. Let's get into challenge number 2. Now it's time for our hands. Alfred, you see the treat? Ready? You ready? Ready? Big hand. This one? Good boy!
Oh.
Alfred gets a point.
It is 1-1.
All right, let's have Bruce have a turn now.
Woo.
Okay, so it's 1-1 tied between me and Gabe and Bruce and Alfred.
That's right.
So this is round 1 of the hands. So let's see how Bruce does. Bruce, the tree is in this hand, okay? Ready? Now mix it behind my back. What is he doing?
Bruce, there's nothing there.
Bruce, leave it.
Bruce,
Bruce, which hand do you pick?
that one?
Oh!
Oh!
Good try, I was in this one.
Good try, Bruce.
Good boy, Bruce.
All right, round 2 for challenge 2. So this is round 2 for challenge 2. Got the treat in my hand. Okay, Alfred, pick one. Which one? This one? Good boy!
Oh,
2 to
it's
1.
2-1.
2 to 1. Good boy.
I bet Bruce is gonna win the hide and seek.
Okay, Bruce, so the tree is in this hand.
Oh my gosh, chill, Bruce.
Sit.
Sit.
Okay,
Good,
the tree is
sit.
in this hand, okay? Ready? I'm gonna mix it up behind my back. Which hand do you choose? This one? Good boy.
Good, Bruce. That means we're tied. How could you, dog?
Good boy.
Good, Bruce, I guess.
It's 2-2.
All right, that means final round now.
Oh, we're determining the winner here. Not yet, but yeah.
We got the treat for Alfred. Alfred, come here. Sit. Sit. Ready? You ready? Which one? Which one do you pick? This one? 3 for 3.
boy.
Good boy. That's a good.
He's gotten all 3. Let's see.
Good.
Can
Alfred.
Bruce do the same? Let's go.
No.
Okay, so it is in this hand, Bruce. Okay, you got a problem. Okay, so it's in this hand. This is for the final round of round 2.
That's right.
Okay, I'm mixing it up.
Oh, you so showed him. Remix.
Okay.
Remix that.
Okay.
You showed him. Keep your hands tight bringing them out. Don't open them.
Oh, good
Oh,
try. It's in this
poor
hand, buddy.
Bruce.
That means it's
That means
3-2.
Alfred's in the lead for overall. 3-2. Now we just got a game of hide and seek. All right, guys, it's a little later in the day. It's getting kind of cloudy, but we're still gonna be out here. We are going to do a timed trail maze. So basically, we'll be leaving a trail of dog food around our backyard to our location, and the fastest dog to find us wins, basically. So
Yep.
we'll do it best out of 3. But if someone wins before that, then we'll just have them like that. Alright guys, so we have Alfred right here looking out. He wants all the treats. So we got our trail going. It just leads kind of to over here. Through the grass, it's hard to see on the camera. And over to Nate.
Hey.
Alright, so let's let Bruce out. And we can begin the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, Bruce is out. He's picking all of them up intensely. There Bruce goes. Where are all the treats? Good boy. Gotta find them. Gotta find them all. Nate's got the stopwatch over there getting ready to pet him. Where is he? Where did he go? Go find him. Uh-oh, he's going back the other direction. Come on, Bruce. Where are they? Bruce. Bruce, look. Look, there's one on the ground right there. You see it? There you go, good boy. Now go find some more. Bruce. Come on, Bruce. You're right there. Come on, buddy. Come on, you got this. You got this. No, Bruce, come over here. Come over here. Bruce. 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 Oh, good boy. He's got it. Slowly, there you go, good boy. Coming up on the finish. And pet him. Good job.
1 minute 9.35.
1 minute 9.35. All
I
right.
swear if Alfred gets
It's Alfred's turn. Nate, you
if he gets it before.
3, 2, 1, go. And Alfred's off. Oh, he's even quicker than Bruce. Good, Alfred. Good boy. Come on, you got this. You got this. You got this. Come on. Good boy. No, Alfred. Alfred, over here. Come on. Over down here. Come on. Gotta find. Oh, Alfred, you're so close. You're so close. No, Alfred, you gotta go back here. No, Alfred. Oh, I didn't lay them all the way out to you. There you go. He found the last one. Oh, there you go. Oh, good boy. 34 seconds. That's like a whole minute faster than Bruce. You know what that means? I won. Sorry, Nate.
I picked Bruce because I thought.
But this proves the point that the dumber ones can beat the smarter ones. Good, Alfred! Alfred, come here. Come here.
But
There's
hey,
no
Bruce
more
is a
treats.
good boy.
There's no more treats.
We've got a short clip of our RC car. We actually had a lot of fun filming this,
Yeah.
so show you it right now.
I stay loose, I stay hype. I stay loose, I stay hype. I stay loose, I stay hype. I could do this all night, cause I do what I like. Yeah, I do what I like. Yeah, I do what I like. Sipping goose, sipping Sprite, and I go with the flow. Yeah, I go with the flow. Yeah, I go with the flow, cause I know I'm the show. In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. Yeah, they know I'm a pro. Let's go, let's go!
Alright, guys.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you guys next video.
I'm celebrating with ice cream even though I lost.
Yeah, he's celebrating his ice misery cream flurry thing. But yeah, we'll see you next video. Oh, also, I hope you guys liked the little video that we did of our RC car. That was fun to create. So yeah, see you next video.